Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I am doing perfectly fine. I know it has been a long time since I posted a video, but I promise I'm going to be regular this time. I know मैं हर बार यही बोलती हूँ that I'm going to be regular, but trust me when I say I am going to be regular this time. So just bear with me. So as I had promised, I'm going to review this beauty right here, this Nicka के neon color palette. So I am here with the review and the eye tutorial as well. So this is the eye look that I have achieved from this palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, then continue watching. Okay, hi guys. ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि ये पैलेट बहुत ही हाईली पिगमेंटेड और बहुत ही अच्छे कलर स्कीम के साथ आते हैं. आई थिंक फॉर एवरी कलर दे हैव अ पैलेट. अगर आपको येलो चाहिए, ब्लू चाहिए, रेड चाहिए, पर्पल चाहिए, ग्रीन चाहिए, whichever shade that you want, they have particular palettes for all the shades, which is really interesting and really nice. I think जिस रेंज में ये आई शेडोज अवेलेबल है और जो इनके पिगमेंटेशन है वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रेंज एंड द पिगमेंटेशन आर perfectly great. So if you are looking for a particular eyeshadow palette, कोई particular color scheme के साथ, अगर आपको कोई ड्रेस के लिए कोई eyeshadow palette की जरूरत है और आप ज्यादा अमाउंट भी इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहते, तो I think this is the perfect eyeshadow palette for you. Whoever wants a eyeshadow palette with a color story, you can go for this. These are approved by me 101%. So I'm going to be swatching row wise. First I'm going to be swatching the row. I'm going to be swatching first row. This row has 2 mattes and 1 shimmer, and you can see how pigmented these shades are. The mattes are also really pigmented, a little bit powdery, but it's okay. Moving on to row number 2, all of these 3 shades are shimmers, but I really like these shades as well. I think they are perfect. I think एक neon है, एक dark है और एक light है, which is really great. Okay, moving on to row number 3. So row number 3 has all the matte shades. I think this is a very important row in this palette, क्योंकि यही है जो आपके आई लुक को एकदम ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देगी. एकदम अगर आप डार्क आई शेडो लुक चाहते हैं इस पैलेट से, तो आई थिंक दिस इज द रो दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. ऑल्सो इसमें 5 मैट्स हैं एंड 4 शिमर्स है, विच इज रियली ग्रेट. आई थिंक एक आई शेडो पैलेट में मैट्स होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि अगर मैट शेडोज शिमर शेडोज से कम होती है तो ऑलरेडी आप थोड़े से डिसइंटरेस्टेड हो जाते हो उस आई शेडो की तरफ. सो आई थिंक दैट इज अ रियली ग्रेट मिक्सचर ऑफ मैट्स एंड शिमर्स. The only drawback about this palette, what I feel is कि इसमें कोई मिरर नहीं है. So if you are traveling with it, आपको separately कोई मिरर यूज करना पड़ेगा, which is quite okay, क्योंकि और हमेशा जब भी हम ट्रैवल करते हैं we always have an extra mirror. पर अगर इसमें मिरर होता तो it would be really better, and it would just make it a little bit more attractive. So that is the only point that I would want to share with you. Okay, if you want, you can buy this from the Nicka app or the HOK makeup app, whichever you like. HOK makeup पे combination offers भी होते हैं पैलेट्स के. So मैंने combination offer में ही मंगाया था. Okay, so now without further ado, I think we should jump to the eye tutorial now. ओके, तो आप लोगों ने सब स्वॉचेस और सब देख लिए और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये पैलेट्स कितने पिगमेंटेड हैं. आई थिंक ₹300 में और 399, आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ द प्राइस. आई थिंक इतने कम प्राइस में और इतना अच्छे आई शेडो और इनकी क्वालिटी और इनके पिगमेंटेशन इतने अच्छे हैं कि मेरे पास ना बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड आई थिंक ये इस रेंज में ये आई शेडोज आर परफेक्ट. So this is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial. This is going to be an eye look tutorial as well as a review of this palette. And without further ado, I should start by creating a makeup look. So let us get started. So first I'm going to start with a transition shade. For that I'm going to use this and this color and mix them both and apply it just to my crease area. Both of these shades. I am picking this up on a fluffy brush. I've already primed my skin, primed my lids. If you are starting off with eyeshadows, I think आपको सबसे पहले ट्रांजिशन शेड अप्लाई करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसी से आपका आई लुक बिल्डअप होगा और उससे आप कलर इजीली बिल्डअप कर सकेंगे. So don't forget to apply transition shades to your eyes. थोड़ा कलर लेकर हम बिल्डअप करेंगे, क्योंकि एकदम से अगर आप ज़्यादा कलर ले लेंगे तो उसको ब्लेंड करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है. So make sure that you go slow and steady with your eyeshadows. Next I'm going to darken my outer corner and my inner corner क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा excuse me, क्योंकि मैं हेलो आई लुक बनाने वाली हूँ, तो मैं इनर और आउटर कॉर्नर पे I am going to take this shade first and apply it on my inner as well as outer corners, but not on the center part of my eyelid. First just going to place the color and see where I want it and then blend it slowly. Same to the other eye and just apply a very little amount of this shade क्योंकि ये बहुत पिगमेंटेड है और मैं एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा लगा दूँगी तो फिर मुझे ही ब्लेंड करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा लेकर ही लगा रही हूँ. If you want a little bit more precision to your eyeshadows, you can use a smaller brush for detailing ताकि आप precisely उसको वहीं लगा के वहीं blend कर सके जहाँ आपको लगाना है. ठीक है. So next I'm just going to further deepen my outer and inner corner using this darker shade. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I will go back to these two shades and just blend all of this really nicely. Okay, so I am going to take this shade now, this beautiful shade. Let me swatch it for you once again. This shade. See how pretty this shade is. I think this is the most pigmented shade in this whole eyeshadow. Take the same brush and this color and just blend the edges of the shimmer that I just applied. So now I'm going to take this shade and apply it to my lower lash line. Some eyeliner and a mascara and I am right back. So now I'm going to use some blush and some highlighter. For that I'm going to use the Sugar palette. This is the Contour Deforce palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. So I'm going to take this blush and this highlighter from this palette. So for highlighter I'm using this one now. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my eye look and I hope you guys liked the tutorial, and I'm going to create more such colorful looks and tutorials in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll get updates every time I post a video. Also, if you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, please follow me on Instagram if you're not following me there, so that you can get really regular updates about me on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.